Hi, my name is James Flint. I'm a videographer, and I'd like to take a minute to talk to you about backdrops. A backdrop can really help create the mood of a shot. In an amateur setting, you might want to even think about a backdrop as just your background. It's really important when you're setting up your shots to have a nice background that's going to help bring out your subjects. You don't want to have things behind people's head because it'll kind of look like they've got antlers or something of that nature. And there's a lot of different things you can do with a backdrop. As you can see here, we went with just a black backdrop because it makes the things we're trying to show really stand out, and it's just a nice clean look. More advanced filming, they use the green screens. You may be familiar with a newscast when the weatherman's up there pointing to the different storm fronts coming in. He's actually just pointing to a green screen, and then those computer graphics are put in later. If you're shooting at home before you start rolling, think about what's behind your subject. Is this going to take away from what I'm filming, or is it going to enhance what I'm filming? And that's the best part about a backdrop is, by being a solid, simple thing, it'll really help bring out your subject. In the consumer end, you're probably not going to do much with green screens, but you can do a lot of fun things with backdrops. I mean, you can go buy professional backdrops, but at the same time, if you get a solid colored bed sheet with a high thread count, you can use that as a backdrop. Or again, you can just think of backdrop as your background and see, if we're shooting the family Christmas, we might want to have the tree and some different Christmas decorations in the background. Or, if you're filming any type of special event, you might want to have some of the decorations that capture the feel in the backdrop. So, when you're shooting, don't just look at your subject. Look at whatever's behind your subject. Think about the backdrop. Again, the most important thing, how can the backdrop enhance what I'm shooting and not take away from it? So again, those are some basics on backdrops.